contextualize the journey of toxic business for us is Dr. Harun Warui. Dr. Warui is a distinguished agricultural scientist who holds a PhD in agricultural sciences with a track record of impactful roles. Currently, he is the program coordinator for agroecology and food rights at the Heinrich Böll Foundation. When I asked Dr. Warui his understanding of "you are what you eat," he said, "The food you put into your body has a big impact on how you feel and how healthy you are. So if you eat healthy food, you're more likely to be in good health and feel good. But on the other hand, if you eat a lot of junk food or unhealthy stuff, it can make you feel not so great and affect your health in a bad way. So it's a reminder that choosing healthy foods can make you healthier and a happier person overall." Please put your hands together for Dr. Harun Warui.
Good morning. So thank you very much, Claire, for the introduction, and I would like to welcome the team. As you've been told, my name is Harun, and I will be taking you through this journey of the toxic business campaign that we have gone through. And more will be addressing the pesticide issues in Kenya. So when we talk about the toxic issues, we are talking about the highly hazardous pesticide, which we consider to be toxic when it comes to agriculture as farming. To give you an overview of this campaign that we have been having is that we commenced the road or the journey on the August of 2019, and whereby we started by publishing the white paper on pesticides in this country, our beloved country, Kenya. And actually, like I've said, it was the foundation for the campaign on toxic business. And I would like to thank those who have been with us. We have had a very, very healthy partnership with a number of partners. We have BIBA that is presented here today. We have Road Kenya. And also, we have had the Route to Food initiative that has been on the driver's seat on this journey. Now, allow me to very briefly take you through some of the key highlights on the white paper. And this does not contradict what you are going to hear today, but by then, of course, we had about that 3% of pesticides, which had active ingredients withdrawn from within the European Union. Above that, the report did recognize the healthy concerns that come with HHPs, that's the highly hazardous pesticides. They have got implication on cancer, being carcinogenic. Also, they have impact on our DNAs or genetic material that is mutagenic. Endocrine aspects of hormone, whereby these ones are disrupted on how your body synthesizes the hormone production. They are neurotoxin, affecting our neurological system. And very important, they have been noticed to have negative effects on our reproduction system in both male and female. And you can imagine what that has on our families. Very important is that after we submitted the white paper to the National the National Assembly, there was a very good response whereby the petition was put forward, and that was petition number 70. And as I mentioned earlier, this was forwarded by BIBA Kenya and COAN and Route to Food Initiative and Road Kenya. So we had BIBA, Road Kenya, COAN, and the Route to Food Initiative. And I would like to take this juncture to really acknowledge support you have gotten from the National Assembly through Honorable Bose Sholei, and also the very able Committee on Health that was able to come up with a very favorable report to the petition and recommendation to the National Assembly. And among them, there were those that were targeting PCPB. And also here I would like to really thank the Committee for the Health at the National Assembly that was headed by Sabina Chege, Honorable Sabina Chege, So these are distinguished members that have really helped us to push this agenda forward. And actually, it's our initiative as a Root to Food initiative to really work with the political arena, the government, as I'll mention later, to really forward this agenda for the highly hazardous pesticide. After this process, the PCB was tasked to address this issue, and it came with a call to the public through the circular that was shared in July 2021 with the request for the public to provide comments on 30 active ingredients of the pesticide, out of which around September in the same year, the Root to Food initiative, also in partnership with the with the other three partners, that's the Road Kenya, COAN, and Biba Kenya, provided a technical report, of course, that identified with this pesticide, and that is a scientific report that I'm showing there. Very important also, last year, we did the launch of the Pesticide Atlas in this country. And this edition was supported by the Heinrich Böll Foundation. And it presents key information on analysis of the HHPs, whereby, very important, it provides the pesticide residue levels in our food, and also provides the key public perceptions around this arena. And very important is that during the launch of this report, that was also done last year, is that we had got 4 key active ingredients that PCPB noted that they were reviewing about. And very important, these 4 active ingredients have been withdrawn by CPB in their latest circular that was shared in July. So they did 7, and these 4 are part of those 7 that were withdrawn. Now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to give you a very quick overview of where we are heading to on this road. The journey is not yet over. We are still moving forward. And as mentioned by Joachim, we are not only working nationally, we are also pushing the agenda globally. Like even the government of Germany, we are putting it on task that we really feel that the double standard has not been addressed today on what we were expecting. So we are still going to continue having the national and the international political engagement, as I've mentioned. We'll also be engaging with the National Assembly. We'll continue engaging with the various committees that are relevant, as it were. And very important, we are aligning to engaging the media in this campaign so that this information can be amplified. Having said that, I would say that our campaign journey is in 5-fold. One is that we would like to continue this journey and applaud and, of course, thank PCBB for the recent development of withdrawing 7 active ingredients. So this is very key, and we appreciate that this journey has yielded some of these kind of results. And we want to encourage that PCBB to continue withdrawing more of these toxic pesticides. We also geared to inform the Kenyan registratures and also the general public regarding the pesticide use and associated risk. Mainly the toxic pesticides, we would like to continue engaging the public and also our legislatures. And as mentioned earlier, we will not stop to acknowledge the support we have gotten from the National Assembly and also the respective Committee of Health. And we will continue engaging them moving forward, both way in terms of getting information and also getting their update on how we can partner on this. Also, we want to encourage the policymakers on the use of the kind of results that we are getting from the work we do, from the research work that we do or that we support, based on the use of these pesticides on crop and their levels of toxicity, both to human, our communities, and the environment that we are all found in. Very important, we would like to draw the attention of the toxic businesses use in particular crops. And as we're going to hear from Silke, we have got 5 priority crops that are highly affected by the HHPs. And last but not least, we'll be urging the government to strengthen key institutions that are regulating the use of these pesticides and also addressing the issue of health. We have got KFIs, we have got PCPB. We want to really continue encouraging our government to see how it can fund them successfully and also engage them in this matter of addressing the highly hazardous pesticides. These are some of the key issues that we'll continue engaging, as it have mentioned, just to bring you the spotlight. These are the kind of research areas we'll continue the public awareness and also working with our partners like Coan in such publication that they are producing. Also, we have got some activities like magazines, publications that we produce and engage, especially the youth and also other communities that would like to use that platform. We also engage in the media. We will not stop engaging the media. We will continue engaging our media in this business. Very important, our social media. We are going to utilize our social media. Please follow our handles in Twitter, Facebook, and we'll be moving very soon to LinkedIn and also in Instagram. Very important for the call action calls, colleagues, we are saying that please stand with us to protect our health, environment, and food security. Remember, when food is not healthy, we are food insecure. And that is coming from the question that Claire is asking us. It's resonating, and you are going to hear what Joachim said, what Silke, I hope she'll say. I don't know what Silke you said, and what Harun has said. Remember, food that is unhealthy is not secure. We cannot address food security by coming up with food that is insecure. So we are looking for a safer and healthier future for Kenya. Kindly remember to join our alliance, and I would really like to thank our alliance members who are here under the Route to Food Initiative. Please follow that link if you are not a member of the alliance to join us. Thank you very much. Na mkumbuke ya kwamba sio siasa, ni pressure under the Route Food Initiative. Thank you very much, colleagues.